morning. Happy Monday. Guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I put heatless hair curlers in last night and they all came out at the gym, so love that for me. Just about to make Quinn's lunch. He apparently keeps dropping his lunch on the floor. So his teacher asked if I could just send like a regular lunch bag, and luckily I have this lunch bag from like the set with his backpack. So having some breakfast. All right, it's a chilly morning. There's still lots of snow like on the ground and on the rooftops. So I sent Quinn to school, sent his snow pants. Oh my God, I went back to bed after dropped Quinn off. Woke up at 10. It's almost 11. I've just been slowly waking up. Made myself and Tim some breakfast. I'll show you. Cute little bagel with egg and cheese. I'm just having my coffee now. I was able to get a hair appointment over at the mall for 1 o'clock today. So I'm very thankful that these roots will be taken care of before my extensions get moved up tomorrow. That will be nice to have a little PM per day, a little bit. I think until 1, I think I'll probably just work on the vlog a little bit. I'm like not really in the mood to start studying yet. It's Monday, which means my exam is a week today. Might start studying like tonight, tomorrow maybe. I can bring my laptop while she's doing my hair and I can get some work done on that. Making dino cereal for Coop. I just got Coop all dressed for the day. And it's time for me to head to my appointment. Oh my gosh, I haven't put that garland up yet. Looks very cute. Needs some adjusting, but I gotta run out the door and go to my hair appointment. So that's just gonna have to wait. When I come back, all of my gray roots will be gone. I got back from my hair appointment a while ago. You can probably tell it's looking much darker. Well, fresh. I gotta take Quinn to Taekwondo soon, so I should probably go do that. Right now, just taking his uniform out of the dryer. What do you want to watch?
Octonauts.
Octonauts. I love how you say Octonauts. We are off to Taekwondo.
Are we on time?
We're on time. Not bad. Got his belt. Got his water. I actually remembered it this time. He was giving me a hard time that I forgot it last time. Quinn had such a good class. So now we're gonna hit up Toys R Us. Quinn took out this Gujitsu from Toys R Us. Kids are asleep, so we're just gonna enjoy our salmon bowls and watch a little TV. Maybe some Kardashians, maybe Mosquito Coast.
Mosquito Coast? Here we come.
There's the answer, Mosquito Coast.
That's my final answer.
Good morning. Today is Christmas sock day at Quinn's school. So there's the little cuties that he'll be wearing. He's just finishing up some breakfast, and then we gotta get a move on. Coop and I are just having a super slow morning, and now I'm getting started on sorting some laundry, hanging some stuff up. I want to get a bunch of stuff done around the house, like do a little like reset, hang up all this laundry, vacuum, tidy, wipe down like some surfaces. Yeah, just get caught up on a few of those things, do some dishes. What am I doing? I'm vlogging. I'm on my way to Oakville. Lauren is touching up my extensions today. So just moving them up after all the grow out over the past like 6 weeks. It is the best like feeling ever to have them like moved up. Feels so fresh after. Alright, I just finished up my touch up. She curled my hair and stuff. It looks super cute, and she moved them all up. Oh, so good and so fresh. Hands down, nanos are like the best kind of extensions. Hands down. Also, it's gonna take me 50 minutes to get home. I feel like I should like listen to a podcast or something. I'm just gonna stick to my regular, what we said, holiday wish list 2022.
Podcast is a Dear Media production.
I got home like an hour ago. The boys both just got out of the bath. Quinn's watching Among Us. My new shaker cup came on Amazon. Look at how cute she is. It's the brand Shakespeare. I made these like tahini noodle bowls the other day, so I'm just gonna heat those up for Tim and I for dinner. So our little tahini noodle bowl, and we're gonna have some Coke Zero. And there's a picture of Gary and Daphne. And Bella's just chilling. The boys are in their room playing quietly, and Tim and I are just gonna enjoy our dinner. Tim and I just did a quick little upper body workout. The kids are in bed, and I am gonna try out
My shaker cup.
see how it's like.
It looks so cool.
You can literally just put like a banana in there and like shake it up, and it'll carry it. All black, everything. Hair, outfit, shaker cup. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Quinn is home from school today. He's not feeling good. He was very congested this morning when he woke up, so I said, you know what, you can have a day at home to rest. really don't like sending him like when he's sick and like spreading that around. We're just having a chill day at home today. I have my final exam on Monday. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit of like reviewing my notes and stuff today. Hey boys. Here, Quinn. It might be a bit hot, so give it a minute. Here's my little outfit of the day today. Just got dressed. Love these like cargo pants and this Skims tee. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of work from home today, some studying, so just getting ready for the day now. Okay, walk to a climb wall to grab a brick and move around it using touch movement. Having a little mid-study snuggle.
But I want it to be a snowman hat. Now it looks like Santa and it's moving. Mom, can you take this off? Mom, can you take the Hey, Mom, can you help me get on the Play-Doh?
Okay, just give me a second, Quinn. What do you need, Cooper?
I want some Play-Doh. With this hungry shark.
Okay,
It
what
will be red.
What does the hungry shark want to eat?
I don't. He wants to eat some grapes.
Some grapes?
Yeah.
Here's the new slime. So we've got Nightmare Before Christmas, Grinch, and Santa's cookie frosting. Oh wait.
And is this for you, Mommy?
Sure, that one can be for me. She sent us a little. She sent us a little
This one should
sample
be
one.
here.
Okay, which one should we? Here, let's
Let's
start.
do this one first.
Let's start with Quinn's, and then we'll do Coop's next,
And then Mommy's.
and then Mummy's. Okay, so these are from Slimes by Grace. I ordered some Christmas ones. Wait.
Mom, does Mommy? What? Mom, does the Grinch steal?
Just wait.
Does the Grinch steal Christmas? Mom, stick on me.
Okay, all right, let's get into it.
Yeah. Looks super jiggly and super cool.
Look, it's got.
Okay, now let's do my Grinch.
Okay,
Yes,
let's make
Mom,
sure.
does the Grinch steal Christmas? It's
Yeah,
so
the Grinch does steal Christmas.
Oh my goodness! And the guys and the people. Whoa! This looks super cheap. Let's check this one.
Look, it's got this little Grinchmas coin.
Where's my coin?
Yours doesn't come with one, but you've got little like, let's see, these little things in there. Yeah, this one actually smells like cookie frosting.
What?
Smell it.
What? Cookie frosting.
These are like the best slimes, honestly.
Look,
Whoa.
I can see through the slime.
Wow,
Mom,
this is
the
fun.
dinosaur.
Thank you to Slimes by Grace.
Let's
We
open
got.
up yours now.
Yeah, I already opened mine. That's the
Oh,
Nightmare
no,
Before
you didn't?
Christmas, the Grinchmas blend.
Look, you.
Okay.
No, I mean I want
And
you
the
to play
Santa's
with
cookie.
yours.
I will play with
Mom,
mine
the toy
right now.
is in here.
So the kids have already had dinner. Sandy gave them dinner and everything. I've just been, I've had a couple of meetings and stuff this afternoon. So it's like 6 o'clock. I'm just having some slime time. And then we'll get ready for bed.
I can see you through the slime.
That is the coolest slime ever.
I can see you. Oh no, hey, yeah! Spider web. Ready.
We're reading the longest Christmas list ever. On a Christmas morning not so long ago, in a house on a hill all covered in snow, asleep in his bed was a little boy Trevor, who dreamed it would be the best Christmas ever. You all ready for school?
I am too.
Okay, let's go. It's Christmas hat day today and Quinn's leader day. So, yeah, just leaving now. Just made Cooper a little lunch snack plate, and this is my view for the next couple days. Just working away at studying. I've been here since I dropped Quinn off at school. I got...
Mom, I want to watch something.
Okay.
Can I watch Octonauts?
Heck yeah, you can watch Octonauts. Now he's all set. Yeah, just finishing my latte and studying my little butt off because I have a big exam on Monday. Tim just texted me saying he had a bunch of cancellations today and wondering if I want to work out with him. So we might go to the gym together. I didn't go this morning because I was up late studying. So this week my schedule for working out is gonna be a little bit not consistent like it usually is, but that's okay. Have a little cup of soup. Back to studying. Tim and I braked for a little bit to do a workout and have some lunch. We ordered Subway. Now I'm back to studying. It's almost, well, it is time to pick up Quinn. Tim's already left to go pick him up. And yeah, it's like a huge snowstorm today. It's like snowy and rainy and icy out. It's like the perfect cozy day for like soup. Look who's home. He's playing with his slime and watching Bluey. And I am still here. I have officially made the move to study on the couch. Been sitting up at that desk. And now it's time to get comfy. I should have done this hours ago, but couldn't really do it with my kids awake, so. Yay. I gotta change my pants because I was having Quinn's slime. And I'm pretty sure my Skims pants are ruined.
Yes, I think they are. They're done.
Just an excuse to make another order from Skims.
There you go.
Just heating up these salmon bowls with quinoa and mango and red onion salsa. So good. Alright, off to school.
I'll carry the lunch bag.
You want to carry your lunch bag?
Yes. You want to
Yeah.
grab your phone?
Are giant spiders real or not real?
You know what? There actually are some like pretty big spiders that are real. But not in this part of the world. More in like rainforests and stuff. Hi there, how can I help you? Hi, can I get 2 medium gingerbread oat lattes? I'm just gonna take you guys and show you the Reno because it's like done. They just gotta like paint some stuff. Also, I hope that my camera doesn't die while I'm trying to do this, but okay. It's like all done. Looking so good. Is that good? You like candy cane hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy Friday, everybody. I just had a shower, got dressed for the day, did a little light makeup. Now I am back to studying. I'm at almost 400 cue cards and I'm just over halfway done. It's crazy, like the amount of like information that needs to be in my brain for this. But I'm doing really good. Like in the course I have like mid 80s. So I just, you know, have to get a really decent mark, like higher than 80 on the exam to keep like my grade around an A. Ordered a little pie cone for lunch. Let's take a look. First one. Yum. Okay, are we gonna tell
Daddy.
the surprise already or are we gonna keep it a secret till tomorrow?
Hold on, I don't know why this isn't working.
Stay on
I can't. Okay, hang
I'm
on.
looking on the phone to see what you're doing.
Okay, hang on. Don't look. Just give me a minute.
And you have no hair. No hair. And look at I'm still there overnight. Great Wolf Lodge. I know that.
You know that place?
Yeah.
Do you want to go there tomorrow?
No, today.
We're going tomorrow.
Why?
Tomorrow night. Are you excited?
This is the workout. Well, I think I know Great Wolf Lodge. It doesn't have like it just has like that water park. Great Wolf Lodge.
I know. And remember the wands and the chests?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we want to bring our wands?
Yeah, we better bring our wands.
Go, right now. Scoot.
Good night, Goober.
Hey, no. Bathroom. This is the bathroom.
Tim and I are gonna go to IKEA. We gotta
With Quinn though, right?
You gonna bring Quinn? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm missing our kids.
Yeah.
I
We'll,
needed that app, but seriously.
yeah, we'll take Quinn. You are so fast.
Always a bigger fish!
Oh no!
You gonna come sit down and have some coffee?
Cheers.
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 Put this back.
Hey Quinn,
let's play Christmas dinner.
Okay.
Okay, come here. Okay, Jess. Oh, I have the turkey. I'm gonna put it in the oven now.
I'm not real turkey.
Ooh, that really hurt my head.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. That was kind of my fault, actually. Faster, faster.
This is the fast I can go.
Hot dog time. There's our little haul. Cookies. Some new bowls because a couple of ours broke. And some curtains for Grandma and Grandpa.
Blackout curtains.
Good morning. Happy Saturday, guys. I'm just downstairs in the kitchen and just gonna make some breakfast. My most toxic trait is that I cannot cook if the kitchen is cluttered or messy, so I just spent like the last 20 minutes just doing random cleanup stuff. Now I'm actually cooking. I'm making these sausages again. They're chicken, spinach feta, and they have 18 grams of protein per one, and Tim and I have 2, so it's like super easy way to have a really high protein breakfast. I'm wearing the cutest little skin set. So cozy. Very gorgeous snowy morning. There's the littlest bit of flurries coming down.
Mom, she was being closer to the table. I picked that.
All right, we just finished up breakfast and got all ready for the day. We're heading out to go to Great Wolf Lodge now. We told the boys we were gonna make it a surprise, but we got too excited to tell them. So yeah, we just got all packed up and we're gonna be heading out for an overnight at the water park. Are you excited
Yeah.
to go to Great Wolf Lodge?
Oh, well. We should check our balance first. You want to do one of these two? Is that one or is that many? I don't want to be gross and lick my finger.
Mom, where are we at?
We're over here. Quinn wanted to come inside the house. This is the house. We're inside the house.
No, not our house.
We're gonna walk down the hall. Jump right up on my knee. You're gonna, boy, look right in the middle. We're here. Turn around. You jump up on this. Are you ready? 8 sleeps I'm coming to see. 8 sleeps it's Christmas. 8. High five.
Hello. Are you talking to them? No. They're talking.
It is a couple hours later. We spent a few hours at the water park. We had a little early dinner, late lunch. I think there's a fridge. Yeah, we've got a mini fridge in here. So we're just back in our room now. Water park was so fun, but didn't bring my camera, obviously. And yeah, we're just enjoying our room. So this is the little kitchen area where the boys will sleep. A little living room. It's basically the same as our room from when we came for Coop's birthday, but just a little, just opposite.
The last one downstairs.
No. I'll shake a high five.
Look who's here. Can you go? Oh!
Get the bear high five. High five. He's over there.
Wow.
The puppy and the moon ball.
You want to play with the moon ball with me? Aw.
So first
Got an exam on Monday, so I've got my headphones on.
Let me take
Kids
care of
are
the repairs to your truck.
watching a movie. Coop's on his iPad, so just gonna be sitting with them. Hear the story?
Yeah.
We can go hear the story. Okay, we'll go down there.
that little? I do. I loved it here when I was like younger.
Not all the fun for today. We do have our dance party tonight, but my friends that wanted to sing, would you like us to sing one Christmas song before we start? Raise your hand if you want to do one Christmas song before we start. Okay, we'll play music. How about Let It Snow? Does that work? Yeah? Okay. I'll start playing it. Everyone can do their vocal warm-up, or they can dance to it if they want. So maybe they want to get their best dance moves ready as well.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yes.
These elves.
Oh,
If you stop it.
Thank you.
Look, here. There's a fire right over here too. Fine.
Quinn over there.
it will go on fire.
No, you can blow it out. You can blow it out. Look, Quinn. Okay, see? See? Watch. You watching? See? I blew it out. Did you see? It's fine. That's how you handle that emergency. Okay, blow it out, Coop. Good job. Don't burn it.
I don't eat these.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Yeah, see? There. That's nice and hot.
Like a hot dog. It'll just roll around.
Gives it flavor.
No, I'm not finished yet.
I know, finish it. We're just giving the other people space so they can enjoy roasted. How good is that, man?
The lights
That's
are
very cool.
stunning. Stop right now.
Why are we at Great Wolf Lodge? What do you want me to do?
Get me upside down.
Oh, I'll lift you upside down, boy. I'll upside you so down that you'll wish that upside was still the right side.
Our table is ready. We just dropped off our coats at the room. Now we're going back down to eat some late night snack.
Yes, Dad. Are these bending straws?
No, you just bring it over here and then drink it.
When what to my wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer.
Okay, let me explain everything that's here. This is like a grilled garlic butter shrimp. This is a fish cake. That's prime rib, I think. Spinach salad and maple roasted root vegetables and just
She took it away. Use that plate, yeah.
We ate the dessert so fast. I forgot to take video.
I got way too much dessert.
Yeah.
Typical dad.
I got enough for like another person.
We just got back to the room. I'm about to start studying. I'll show you the app I'm using. So before we left, I made all of my study notes into cue cards and put them on Quizlet. So anytime you get it wrong, it makes you like type it out.
Right now, the octopod is
So I'm just doing this for a bunch of things so I can learn all the terms and different stuff really well. Good morning, Gordon family.
Good morning.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, too.
We just woke up
Ow!
a little while ago and got dressed. We're gonna go down and have some breakfast. A new water bottle that I got from the gift shop. I'm obsessed with it. We're just getting packed up because we have to check out at 11. It's 10, so we probably have to bring our stuff down with us to the car. Just waiting for our call. Okay, don't do that. Quinn, don't do that. Somebody's gonna pinch their finger.
No, you put it out over there.
Quinn, don't. That is why I said do not slam it. It's real fire, yeah. Do you feel how hot it is?
Yes.
Yeah.
Burn.
You could probably roast marshmallows in there.
Yeah.
We just left the water park and Tim's going to get the car. He's going to pull it up. So, just waiting by the fireplace.
The fire is red and orange.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive the car because the mom is gonna study.
All right. Let's go.
Mom, are you going to study?
Yep.
Right.
In the car.
Ow, ow, you're hurting me.
Very
Mom,
graceful.
you're hurting me.
I know. I'm just moving you back. Since we got home from Great Wolf Lodge, pretty much I've just been sitting on the couch, studying on my phone. The kids had like a big nap and and you know, then they got up and we had a little snack.
Dinosaur
Watched
cereal.
yeah.
Bits and bites.
Watched, what was that? Sesame Street Nutcracker.
Yeah.
I watched that. And now we're having dinner, taking a little study break. We ordered fresh so I can have like some nice fuel. After all the food we've been eating this weekend, this is gonna feel so good.
So fresh.
So fresh.
I'm sorry.
And I think we might go to the gym later, maybe after the boys are in bed. And after I got a bit more studying done, I'm probably gonna have some like pre-workout just to get like some like
That sounds lovely.
caffeine in me going. I was even thinking when we do like our cardio warm up, like on the stairs, like to just have my phone and just be like whipping through more.
I was thinking that too. I was thinking if you wanted me to quiz you.
Yeah, between sets. Just pass you my phone.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Big exam tomorrow. It's worth 30% of my final grade. I have like an 80 something in the course right now, and I kind of want to maintain that or go just a little bit lower. So I'm working extra hard to make sure I know everything really well.
No, on our window house, so we
You wish we had a deck up here?
yeah.
Like a
Touch the camera.
You won't touch my camera? Oh, that's so nice of you. Okay, so Tim and I just got back from the gym. That's why I'm like in my sports bra
But
and stuff.
well, I didn't know where were you.
I said I was gonna go work out.
When I went with Mom to the gym.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell Quinn how I did?
How?
Daddy is so strong.
Here, then try squeeze me. Try squeeze
We did
me.
chest and shoulders. So
Then squeeze me, Dad.
it was a great workout.
Then
I've
Dad,
got my
if you're strong.
chocolate protein powder here.
Squeeze me if you're strong.
And now we're gonna play some games.
Mom,
My exam
squeeze me
tomorrow.
If you're strong.
My exam tomorrow isn't until 4 p.m. So I'm probably.
That was like a sigh of relief.
I know.
Squeeze me if you're strong. If
So
you're
You weren't
strong,
going, man.
you win.
I got lots of extra time to study.
But if it doesn't, thank you so much for watching another week of a vlog. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week.
Good night.
Good night.